Hey everyone, if you are seeing the Xbox error 0X91D70000 while playing a disc or Blu-ray, then this video is going to show you the exact fixes that you can try in 2026. So first of all, this particular error usually appears when the disc cannot be read properly. So you need to first of all remove the disc. After removing it, you just have to clean it using a soft microfiber cloth. Wipe from the center outward and not in circles. You need to check for scratches or cracks because damaged discs may not work properly. Now, Xbox uses a separate application to play the discs. So you need to simply open your Microsoft Store. Over here in the search bar of it, you just have to simply search for Blu-ray player. So after searching for Blu-ray player, when you are able to find the application over here, simply select the application and then simply click on the option of get. Now if it is already installed, you can uninstall it and reinstall again. Then simply insert the disk and you can try again. Now temporary glitches can also cause the disk reading the errors. So in order to fix it, you just have to simply press and hold the Xbox power button for about 10 seconds in order to turn it off. You need to also unplug the power cable for about 30 seconds and then you need to plug it back in, turn it on, and then you need to simply insert the disk again. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Xbox disk is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.